According to the YouTube experts, this is not supposed to help much, but I have a less efficient Freon type gas that was put into the unit a while back, and lo and behold, this really does help. So cooling off the sunny side of the cooling fins in super hot weather sure does seem to help inside. Also, I'm not using the regular string along misters you put on a porch. I've got that this really large mister here that I've got a couple of them. I think they're obviously put out a lot more water. So that's the way I'm trying to beat the heat this summer, making this thing limp along another couple years anyway.